Okay, go to that manage company profile, not manage users, company profile, and you click the company information. So the company information, if you scroll down, you will see called organization ID. So these are the total number of licenses available, and scroll up, you will see a called organization ID.
Did you start recording now?
Yeah, it started. So there's one called organization ID, right? Salesforce.com organization ID is OOD. Okay, so this is unique for your Salesforce. So what happens is, because it's a multi-tenant, every SQL which is firing to log in or anything, it concatenates your organization ID. Okay, so that is the key. So this with this org ID is allocated only to your. So now you have put organization name as Gmail, right? So
Right.
that's going to be your org name.
Okay. So what I was asking was, like, say if I go home here.
Yeah.
Hold on. Yeah, these apps that you get here.
Yeah, this will be installed only to your that org ID.
To the org ID. That means if I install it, it will be available for everybody who is part of that organization.
Yes, provided you have to share. When you install the app, you are going to share what kind of profile you need access.
Okay.
If you install this one, it's going to challenge.
So it's only admins who have the right to install these apps?
Only administrators can install.
Okay.
And when you install, it's going to ask what kind of profiles you have to give access.
Right.
Alright, let's okay. So there are few things we have to see for accounts. Okay, so go to accounts tab. There are some tools for accounts. The accounts homepage tab, you can see some tools. Okay, on the right hand side you can see some tools. Scroll down. Yeah, in the home page there are different types of tools. Okay, so the first one we are going to see is the merge accounts. The merge account is a process. So whenever companies or data admins find out that there are duplicate accounts, they need to consolidate these accounts. Basically, all the contacts, any transactions which this account is part of, they have to merge the accounts. Okay, so we are going to create two accounts now. Okay, so create two accounts. The account is California State Government. California State Government, and your account. We don't need any parent account, and we don't need any number. Select the type of the account. Make it as a customer direct, and select the industry as the government. Yeah, that's a government value. Okay, and put the address as Billing Street as 123 Main Street. 123 Main Street. Billing city as Sacramento State, California. And it's put the state as California, and country as US. And okay, save this record, and you create a contact. Create a new contact. No, you have to create for this account, right? So you cannot go back to contact tab. So there is a from here you create it. Create a contact for this account. Yeah, put a CA Sacramento. Yeah, save this contact. and create a new account. Go to that California state government account and clone it, and change the city to okay. Okay, we don't have this clone button here. Okay, so edit the layout and add the clone button to the layout. It will be there in the button section. You have selected the fields here. Yes, search for clone button. It's not there.
No.
I don't know why it is not there in the buttons. Okay, let's go create a new account then. Yeah, same account name, California State Government. The only difference is city is going to be San Jose. Type in the San Jose. And you can select the industry as government. And you can select a different type now. Instead of customer direct, you can select customer channel. You can save this account and create a contact for this account. CA San Jose. Okay, so for some reason, this kind of a duplicate account are in the system. We need to now there will be a requirement, right? So we need to merge this account. The CA San Jose is a duplicate account, but it has a different contact. Okay, so now that we have to merge it. Go to that merge tool. Go to that merge tool, and now find for give a CA as a name and find. Okay, now we got two accounts, right? But we have to merge the accounts. Okay, so click next. Okay, so it's this is the it's saying what should be the master record here, and what information has to be used when we try to do a merge. Okay, so we have decided the Sacramento account is the master record, and but we want some information to flow from San Jose to master record to the okay. For example, I want this type to be flowing from San Jose account. Okay, you can select the type as a customer channel. Okay, and scroll down. The rest of the information I am okay with it. Okay, so if you merge that, see all the including contact information will be flowing to the Sacramento account. Click OK. Now the account is merged. In the recent accounts, you see only one account. Click that one, and here you will see two contacts. Your San Jose contact is automatically moved, and your channel value will be changed as a customer channel. Previously, it was a customer direct. So basically, it merged it. Okay. So this is account merge utility, which is out of the box it comes. Okay. So let's go to that other tools. Okay. Let's do mass delete of accounts. Mass delete. Okay. So mass delete is a process. Okay. So if you want to delete some multiple accounts at the same time, this is the utility where you have to use. So what it has is it has a criteria which is going to be applied, and basically a search, and that search is going to give you the record, and you have to delete the record. Okay, so that this supports only maximum of 250 records for deletion. Okay, so if you don't give any criteria, it's going to give you all the accounts. Okay, just hit search. Hit search. It did not give any data.
No.
Okay, then we have to give a criteria. Just put state is equal to California, CA. Billing state or province, state/province.
Is it case sensitive?
No, this is not a case sensitive. Okay, then we don't have any data.
We have, right, in accounts.
Okay, can you take long format California?
It's there underneath. If you go down, I saw it.
Oh, yeah.
It's there. Okay, it's there. Okay, good. So now you
maybe, okay, hold on.
maybe it displayed in the previous thing also.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Okay, so you select this multiple account and you get a delete, and hit delete. There are two types of deletion. One is a hard delete and another is a soft delete. Hit delete. Okay, now record is deleted. Okay, so because we have a selection criteria of only some 25 accounts, scroll up.
But what did you delete? When you said none, and it showed all the records.
Yeah, all the records, and we deleted it, right?
Yeah.
So scroll down. Okay. Okay, so we deleted one batch of accounts.
Yeah.
Okay, so this deleted is a soft delete. Okay, which means you can retrieve this accounts from a recycle bin.
Recycle bin.
Okay, you go to that home page. And you can click and undelete it. So this the records will be there in the recycle bin only for 15 days. Okay, and only the data can be restored, not the configurations. Something like
Right.
if you delete a workflow rule, you cannot restore it. Okay. So this is the process called mass delete. Okay. And the next one is we are going to see how to load the data. Okay, so to install a utility called data loader. Okay, so go to setup, data management, and there is a link called data loader. When you click the data loader link, and there is a link to the download the data loader, you have to download it. So Sri, you also follow the same step and download the utility. This is known as the Apex data loader.
No, you want me to do it now?
Yeah, do it now. Download is completed.
Yeah,
Okay, you install it.
I'm installing now.
Okay. Yeah, you have to share the desktop. I cannot see your data loader.
You can't see, is it?
Yeah, I'm seeing it because I think you have shared only the browser.
Hold on.
I'm seeing only a orange color thing. I think you have to desktop sharing. Yeah, now I can see. Okay. So in order to log into a data loader, other than your username and password, you need a security token. Okay. So how to generate a security token? You go to your My Personal Information, and you can see a link called security token. Yeah, you have to click that one and hit the reset button. That's going to send you a case sensitive alphanumeric security token to your email ID. Okay, so now get that security token. Yeah, so we have to log in first. So login is your username and your password, and also after entering your password, you also concatenate your security token. Okay, now click login. Okay, so now we're able to log in.
No. There was a password error. Sorry, ID error. Hold on.
Do we have to install this data loader? It's installing for me.
Yeah, now you will have it.
It's not logging in.
The secure username on the file.
Yeah, that's what I just did.
Now hit login. What will say?
Error.
Okay, so remove everything.
Remove?
Remove the password. Okay, so now give your password. Okay, and hold on, don't log in.
Okay.
Okay, and go to your email and copy your security token. Yeah, make sure you copy the blank space before N. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, you can, yeah. You can also log in, click next. And okay, so what you are trying to do, insert operation or what kind of operation?
That was insert, yeah.
Okay, so in order to insert, we don't have a data. Right? So what
Right.
cancel and we'll export the existing data.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there is one called export. Right? So export, select the account object, and you have to give a always data loader extracts data only in a CSV format.
Right.
Okay, you have to give a target location to download this file. So select the location. Yeah, create a folder called SFDC data load in your desktop documents. Yeah, select all fields. There's a button called select all. Okay, it's something like you want to apply a criteria to this, right? So we can put a condition where put billing state region, state province, billing state here equals California. The value you have to substitute in a single quote. Yeah, and add the condition. Hit add condition button and click finish. Okay, yes. So this is going to, okay, it says where billing state equal to CA, error column 82, unexpected token CA. Okay, that's another way. You have to do the same process again. Select the first object account. Select all fields.
It has to be in quotes.
Yeah, normally it has to be first.
It automatically takes quotes.
Okay, then it's okay. I think that's where the issue is. And okay, go to that extract folder.
So whatever contact we have in SFDC is
No,
extracted and put it in
we have not extracted everything. We have extracted
only only California record.
Yeah. Okay, so this is a spreadsheet, right? Okay. So there are some system fields. We are going to delete it. For example, ID is a system field. Is deleted is a system field. Okay. So delete all the system fields. Like it's created date, all these timestamp fields created by modified page are all system fields. And delete those fields in the spreadsheet.
This is fine, right?
Yeah, and, yeah.
You want these also?
Any blank columns, remove it.
Okay.
Blank columns, remove it. Okay. So you can set up additional records also. You can set up additional records. Currently we have only 5 accounts, right? You can set up something like test account and set up some 10 to 15
If we load it back into SFDC, then we can
we are
see all
going,
the
yeah,
new
we are going to load that account. Yes.
work today. Semantic.
I didn't hear you. What?
Semantic.
I still didn't understand.
He's giving the company name Symantec.
Semantic.
Semantic. Okay.
Meta. AMD. ANAT. ANAT.
What?
ANAT. ANAT. Applied materials. Pfizer. 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 KAISER.
KI?
KAISER.
Is this enough, or do we have to fill other information as well?
I think this is enough.
Okay, I'll save this.
And save this spreadsheet as a new file called data load.
Okay. Do you have to select an account here? Say account or
account object, yes. Account.
Yeah.
And click next. Okay, so now this is where you have to map. You have this source. The left hand side is your source column names in the spreadsheet. Now you have to let the data loader know what should be the target column names. There are two ways to do it. One is manually you can map it, or you can create or edit a map. Okay. So click
Okay.
that create or edit a map button, and there is one other auto match field. Okay. You click that one, it's going to automatically match. Okay. Scroll down and see if there is any field which is not having the map. Okay. So this one called is partner is not having mapping because you cannot upload a. I think you should be able to do it.
It's probably because I deleted that field.
You should check the spreadsheet. Still, you have that column. Is partner is there? Scroll. Yeah, is partner, right? So that cannot be loaded via data loader.
Why is that?
It should be possible, but okay, because that is where you are setting up an account as a partner account.
Right.
So you should be able to do it. Okay, look for the partner field in the topmost in this section. Parent ID.
I cannot scroll.
Yeah, that field is not there. That's why it's not. Parent ID. Okay, so for now, we need to find out why that field is not uploadable. There should be some reason. For now, remove that in the spreadsheet. Remove his partner, Jigsaw company ID, last activity date. Remove those fields.
Okay.
Money, the fields on the source is different also, we can still map them.
Which one?
Let's say we have, on the spreadsheet, we have a different field name.
Yeah, that's true. We can map it.
We can map them.
Yeah.
It should be insert or update?
It should be insert. Because we are creating new accounts, right?
Okay. No, because it also has existing.
It will going to create a duplicate accounts. That's okay.
Okay.
Those accounts we will manually merge it. See, still there is one system field, last activity.
Last activity date. I thought I deleted it. Hold on.
Maybe save that file. You have to delete and save the file.
Right there, you.
This time you save that mapping. There is a save mapping button. You can save that one.
What is this step for?
This is you show the error files.
Error and save files. Okay.
It is one thing. Scroll right, you will see the error exception. Why it failed? Okay, it says Expiration date invalid.
I think this was existing somehow. This is not something I created.
There's no called gene point.
No, I mean I don't remember creating this name at all.
Probably it's already there, standard account.
Yeah, probably.
But what is it? There is a custom field SLA. Scroll down. Scroll right. It says XLA expiration date. There is a validation rule which is preventing it. Okay, go to that account object. Did you create any validation rules on it?
I had, but I don't remember it to be.
I think that there is a validation rule which is preventing it. Go to the account object. Go to the account setup, customize accounts, validation rules.
No, there are no.
Okay, so there is
For accounts, I didn't create any validation.
Okay, go to the case management. Yeah, customize case. Yeah, case management. Yeah, that case is correct. Case. Look for validation rule in case. There's no okay. Can you once again go to the exception? I want to see what is the error. Yeah. Okay. Error XLA expiration date. Invalid date. Friday. Okay. So do we have an account object as a field called SLA expiration?
Hold on.
First, check whether the account object has a SLA expiration field. Yeah. No, SLA expiration.
Yeah.
So there is a field SLA expiration. Okay. So okay, click that field.
Yeah, validation rules.
Okay, go
Field
back.
level security.
No, this is not field level security. Okay.
But
Can
he
you go
created
back?
it first on 12/3, right? It is saying expired on 12/7.
No, that's fine. That's not the field. It's about the data. Go back. So I want to see the other account fields. So you have created this field. Definitely there is one validation rule which is preventing it. Okay. So serial SLA expiration date.
I think we had done this as a 90-day rule, right? Something. Is that what it was?
SLA expiration date.
From entry date to expiration, we did some 90-day rule. Okay,
But I don't think an account reading clear between customs.
Okay, that's interesting. Let's troubleshoot. Okay, so okay, let's.
Can we just see that record?
Yeah, that's what I want. No, yeah, don't delete it. Go to that spreadsheet. Go to the error file. Okay, scroll left and see. Let's look at the data. It's Gene Point, Jenny Point, customer channel, Shoreline Park, Mountain View. Okay, scroll right. Mountain View, California. That's okay. It's okay.
Expiration date is 1/7/2012.
Yeah, so SLA date invalid. Okay, what is the date we have given? It's 1/7/2012.
Mm-hmm.
But we created this record on 12/3.
No, that is field. That is not a data. That's a field. Check. Go to the Gini point. Yeah, I think this data comes from the system, I guess.
Yeah, this was on system, but I don't know. So it's my email. I don't remember creating.
It's a explanation date. Okay. Try to edit this record. Yeah, don't change this column. Change any other field and try to change another column. Yeah, try to change the annual revenue. Yeah, save this one and following. Okay, so basically insertion is failing. Any record when we try to insert with this old time date, it is failing. Right?
Why can't we change the SLA expiration date?
No, but we need to find out why it is.
Why it's yeah.
So we know that is the reason. If we change the data future date, it should pass. But we couldn't find any validation tool. Can you go to that accounts once again? I want to see if there is any validation tools again. Account. Go to account validations. Validation tools on accounts. Okay. Go to the account triggers. Let's see if there is any triggers on account. There's no triggers also. Okay. Can you go to the contacts and see if there is any validation tools? There's no validation tool on contacts also. Okay, go to that SLA expiration field in the account. No, not in the custom fields. Okay, so let's see what is that. Expiration. Okay. Can you go to the data we have uploaded? Check the expiration data there. See data. Okay. 1/7/2012.
I mean, we didn't change this. This is the existing data that you're trying to upload, right?
Yeah, try to upload the existing data. The error says invalid date, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so there should be a date format. I'm just checking what is the date format is like. Okay, so put this way. Okay, so put 2012 dash. Put inside 2012 dash year dash month dash month.
Year dash.
Year dash month dash day. Year month dash day. Yeah. I will try to because it uploads all the records. It's okay. We'll upload this account again. This file again. We'll have to.
We can upload just this account, right? We can delete the other.
Yeah, other thing. Yeah, you can delete. But take a copy of this. I don't want to lose this record.
Yeah, I'll save it in a different name.
Yeah.
So this I can accept, right?
Yeah. This is an insert. Insert or yeah, it's an insert.
This is wrong.
Once again, you're getting the exception.
No, it says 0 record. It should have told operation will contain 1 record, right?
Yeah. Data load 1 CSV. Can we let's confirm that file. Okay. Empty column is found. Okay. That is okay. Okay. We have to fix the file. File has some problem. So there is no column.
Wow.
You deleted
Okay.
the column.
Still an error.
Your error.
Continuous illustration. Invalid.
Okay. So I'm going to give you a literal format. Okay. So this is what actually when date is Salesforce actually stores the date and time. So what is the data type? Is it date or just date and time?
No, it was only date.
That's only date.
It was only date.
What date we have to do? Okay. See, the data is not changed. Can you go to the data? The error file. It in the error file. It still says 7122. Can you check our file? You have to change it. It's 2012-707-
Yeah, that's what I put last time.
maybe when he did the control G, I think it's 07. Yeah. So this will work.
It changes back to.
You have to change the format here in the spreadsheet. So just make it as a the last 2001 format. Yeah, select that. It should work now. Save this and
Yeah.
Okay, it uploaded, right? Good.
Mm-hmm.
So this is okay. So this is data uploaded. So take down assignment. We are going to do some data updates. Update is key. Okay, so when you do a existing update, you can update based on the Salesforce ID value, which is a 18 character unique ID, which is a primary key. Okay, so that key is the driving field to do update. So you are going to do two activities. One is you are going to do update, and you are going to do upsert. Upsert is a process where you can insert for new records and update the existing records. Okay,
Second is
upsert. Perform data update, and B is perform upsert.
So update means like the existing record, change
Existing
some fields and then
existing data.
update it, right?
Yeah, existing data.
is that right? What I spelled it?
You are correct. It's upsert. Okay, and third one is you are going to delete. So for data update, the ID value is the key. That is what we are going to. It's going to look up, match, and update the record. Okay.
ID
And
value.
ID value. And perform upsert is certain records will have ID, other records will not have ID. So the record which is not having ID will be considered as a new record and will be inserted. The fields which are having a ID value will be considered as an existing record and it will be updated. And delete is or need to pass is only the ID values. You pass the IDs, it's going to delete those records. Okay, do these three activities on the data loader. Okay, so shall we move to the next topic?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, go to the customize account. Go to customize accounts, and there is one called account teams. Can you click that one? Most of the things we have seen, and yeah, what is enable the account team? So account team is a process in which a group of people or users owning an account. Okay, so which means you give access to them, they get the read-write access. Okay, enable it. Enable the team. Yeah.
Could you repeat that again? I didn't get that.
Okay, so you have to add this in the layout. So account team is okay, actually in any transaction which is owned by only one user, right? Who is going to be the account manager. Okay. For example, if a team of people are working on the same account to sell the different products, they need access to the account, right? So either you can give access through manual sharing or to other visibility process, but you can also give access to them via your account team. Okay. Instead of one person, it's a multiple person are responsible for this account. Save this one now. After saving, you will see a related list showing up in the account record. Okay. Yeah, you can define a role of a particular team. Yeah, select that one. Okay. So these are all the okay. So various roles played by the individual team for that account. Okay. For example, 5 people are working on that account. One person will be the account manager, and one person is the sponsor for that any activities happening for the account. So there's kind of a various roles for every individual who is going to play on that account. You go to the account, go to the account record. Go to the refresh this page, you will see a related list called account team. Yeah. Scroll down. Okay, so you see a account team, yeah, click and add a. Okay, so basically this is all the users, right? So you can select any user and you can give access and you can define what role they are playing in this account.
And this has to happen at the administration level?
So configuration is administration, but if account, if I am the owner of the account, right? So
Right.
even though I am the owner of the account, something just imagine a situation where you are working with a bigger client.
Right.
You are working
So,
on a proposal. So multiple members will be working on that account.
right. So that
Yeah,
so that particular manager can just add this team into this.
exactly.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to know. Yeah.
So because every individual has a role to play, right? So more granularity, and they can also determine what kind of access you have to give for this particular thing. And we can also derive the access to the opportunities also. If opportunity access can be defined, if you see which is created for this account.
Okay.
So for this account, the system admin and this whatever sales
Yes,
rep,
the
they
sales
can
rep,
see this data.
yeah, they will have access to this account. Yes. Okay. And there is another one called partner roles. Go to the setup. How these internal account team members are having a role. Like that, there is a role for the partners, because the partner can play multiple role for a particular opportunity for a particular end customer. Okay, so if you click customize and go to accounts, and there is one called partner roles. Yeah. So these are all the various partner roles. This is pretty much, this is the out of the box just come, and it is completely customizable. Okay, so I can give you a classic example, system integrator, right? So for example, take Adobe Systems is doing implementation of a life cycle product. Okay, so life cycle is a product which is used by companies for a paperless office. Okay, so even though Adobe owns the product and they're going to sell the product to end customer, might be a federal government, they need some implementation partner to implement that product to the end customer. Okay, so that particular implementation partner is also a partner for Adobe. So they are going to play a role as a system integrator. So basically, they are going to implement it. Okay, same thing, if a partner is going to help them to resell. Okay, basically, they are the resellers, and they will be a role as a reseller. And if they are something like they are going to influence the deal with the end customers, they can be influencers. These are all various roles played by the partners. So that partner roles can be customized here. You can add, edit the partner role in this partner role section. Okay. So this is out of the box, and this can be completely configured. And there is another section called contact roles. Okay. Contact role is, this is a account has a multiple contacts. So you can add a contact to that account, and you can determine what is the role of that account. So hold on guys, I'm getting a call. I need to take this call. Okay. Okay, contact. So this is the contact rules. So the account will have multiple contacts, and we are defining every contact what is the role they are going to play. Okay, this is from the end customer side. Okay, if I select federal government, and the IT manager in the government is a contact for that federal government account. So as a salesperson, I need to know what this contact from that account can do. Okay. So if something like he is the decision maker, now we need to put more focus on socializing with that contact rather than IT person who's just going to use the product, right? So your periodization changes, your strategy changes based on the information you have in the contact. What is his exact role for this account? Okay, so that's where this contact role comes into picture. So basically, all this data collection helps you to improvise your sales process. Okay, so any questions in all these three topics: account, team, partner roles, and contact roles?
No.
Okay, I think it's pretty simple and just recollect this. So that's all about the account. And then tomorrow we can see the opportunities, products, and price books, and also this quoting. Okay, so these 5 topics if we cover tomorrow, and pretty much we are close to completion of sales cloud. Okay, then we can start the service cloud. Okay, so I want to give you some assignment because there is almost a week of break. So I will give you some customization work. You two can work. So maybe I will quickly sync up couple of times to take your questions and answer. Okay. So we'll do some kind of a small project and build a product. Okay. So even if you have any ideas around the sales cloud, Sonal, give me that idea. We'll do the design and we'll build that product.
Okay.
Okay. Think through that, and maybe Friday, we'll have a call on Friday morning to discuss that project.
Okay.
So tomorrow I'll complete the rest of the opportunities, products, price books, and quoting.
Right.
Think about the project. Friday morning we'll discuss that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the holiday schedule? We don't have any class next whole week.
So actually, I am taking vacation. I'm not in town from 21st to 28th.
Okay.
Okay, 21st to 28th. But I will tell you my schedule because I am going back to Houston 26th. Okay. So anyway, after Christmas, I'll give you an update if I can spend some time during this holidays. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. All right, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay. Bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye.